Yo, someone stepped on my Boxycharm. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is very exciting because I did receive my Boxycharm box for the month of May and I'm excited to get into this. I wasn't excited for the choices, but I'm excited to see what we get in this month's box. It looks like someone stomped on my fucking box. They were mad that I was getting this and they were just like, The first item in here is the MURAD Renewing Cleansing Cream. It transforms from a silky cream into a comforting lather that lifts away all the oils and impurities from the day. And it's formulated with ingredients like lactic acid, peptides, and apricot oil. And it helps to brighten your complexion and replenish your skin's natural moisture barrier. So you're left with supple, hydrated skin. I love MURAD. I think they make incredible products. And I have dry skin, so the fact that this has so many great exfoliating ingredients that aren't too harsh on the skin, I think my skin's gonna really like this. And it's a really nice big bottle. I feel like this is gonna last me forever. I do love the brand MURAD as a whole, and their skincare is so good. I've used up multiple of their products because they're just that girl. Now, the next item I was not really excited for at all, but I was actually pleasantly surprised by. This is the CIATÉ London I Am Woman 24 shade eyeshadow palette, and this actually is on sale for $15, but the retail value is $45, and it has 24 shades ranging from soft browns, subtle nudes, buttery mauves, and intense metallics, all formulated with the brand's signature creamy formula. And I'm not gonna lie to you and say that this is the best palette ever, but for getting it in a subscription box and using it today on a whim, because I was just like, people are gonna get this palette in their box, they're gonna want to like have inspo, I should be, you know, creating looks with it instead of just like getting rid of the palette. And what I figured I would do is maybe sell the palette for a much cheaper price, much cheaper than $15, because it is used. And I have been doing that recently on my Mercari, so if you are wondering, I want to do a huge declutter and like just go through bunch of palettes that I'm not using and sell them for like $5 to like $8 depending on the palette. You know, it's gonna take a lot. It's gonna take a lot of work, and I have to move all this stuff anyway, so once I move I'm going to put piles aside. So much things that I want to declutter, get rid of. Like, I want to go through everything and do like a deep clean, but I'm literally going to move all of this stuff pretty soon, like this year soon. A lot of people are saying that they've seen this palette before. Apparently this is volume 2. It does say volume 2 on the bottom here. So there was a first version. I did not like that palette, and I know it was going around. I think this one is a little nicer. You do get more color in this one, and I think for the theme Mother's Day, you know, May is like Mother's Month, this makes a lot of sense, and a lot of people don't mind CIATÉ as a brand. The eyeshadows actually performed very nicely, and I didn't struggle at all, so I mean, it's a win for that, but I just wouldn't go out of my way to purchase anything from CIATÉ. The next item in my box is the Wander Beauty Upgraded Lashes Thickening Mascara. Y'all, my hair is always in a bunch. It has a value of $26. This mascara gives you fuller, longer, and stronger lashes. It is infused with castor oil to help nourish your lashes while delivering a volumizing and thickening effect. Love Wander Beauty. This mascara pleasantly surprised me. I normally feel like I have to apply lashes, like it's just like a must, right? And if I don't have them, I'm like, this look not hitting. But this mascara is actually really nice, and I feel like I've been finding a lot of really good mascaras, but just nowhere to fucking wear them because I'm always wearing lashes, and I feel like when I'm making my creative looks, lashes is really what makes it. I just always feel the need to apply lashes, and I never feel like mascara does enough for me. But this mascara is wonderful. At first I was scared of like the plasticky wand that this mascara has, and it did stab me. as I was using it, and I did get it on my lids multiple times, which doesn't normally happen with other mascaras for me. Aside from all of those little things, the lashes are lashing, and I normally don't like my natural lashes, but this made me kind of be like, oh, maybe I've forgotten how good a mascara can be. The next item is from Kate Somerville. This is the EradiKate Acne Treatment. This is made with the highest level of sulfur plus salicylic acid and zinc oxide to help clear out your existing pimples, reduce redness, and prevent future breakouts. I love Kate Somerville. I've been wanting to try this for a while. I knew I'd get it eventually if I just stuck around long enough. So this is what it looks like. It's like pink liquid in there, and you dip a Q-tip in there and you rub it on your pimple. At least that's what I did, and it's supposed to help your pimple kind of calm down, kind of relieve the redness, the pressure. I didn't wear it long enough. I'm gonna re-wear it again at night. Me and my boyfriend are gonna try this for you. I have multiple monsters on my face. I have one right here, I have another one on my cheek, and then I have one on my chin right there that's just like, he really wants to be my friend, and I'm like, just no, please. Get away from me. All these items are on sale. I feel like they're not special at all. Nothing here is special, and that makes me sad. Okay. And the last item I chose for like the actual box was the Half Caked The Script Primer Plus Lip Liner. The shade is Half-Life, and it is a pinky nude that enhances and defines your lip shape, and then it also has a primer that hydrates and conditions your lips. So it's supposed to be like a go kind of product. My thing with this is that I hated this color. It was giving realtor vibes on me. It's too warm. It's not, it needs more nude for me, because to me this is just bright pink on my lips, and I need something a little cooler, more definition. Like, I need more, and this did not give me more. I like this side. I feel like this side I'm gonna get use out of, because it's nice for, you know, before you apply your lipstick. It's like a light lip balm. But the liner itself, I feel like maybe with something else, maybe, I don't know, but it's not hitting for me. Like, it looks good on everyone else. I see it on here, it looks good on them, but on me it's just not, doesn't look good at all. And yeah, I don't know the retail price on this. Sorry, they changed their app and now they don't have any retail values of anything. So thanks Ipsy for making your app more shitty. Like, I don't understand. I guess you don't want people to know what their items are valued at, because then they're gonna be like, this is garbage. Like, what am I doing here? And then the last thing is an add-on. Actually, I was very, very excited for this item, and it did not disappoint me actually. At first I was like, but after a while I did warm up to it. Y'all, look at this color. Look at this color. This is intense. This is the LAWLESS Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss in Violet Bloom Soft Orchid. The color looks completely different than what they give you on the Ipsy app. It looks nothing like how it did online. It's so much, this is literally Barney purple, like Barney purple. I was so worried. I was like, oh no. I was like, what am I getting myself into? This is terrifying. I'm gonna look like a clown. And I started to. I was like, oh no. The secret is going with a little bit. Do this thing to your lips. Blot a little bit of it off, because I don't love the application. I think the applicator picks up way too much product, and then you're just globbing product on, and I hate that. I don't want that. Like, you don't need that much. I don't love thick lip gloss, and it's a deal breaker for me. And this is leaning too thick for me. Like, I feel it when I press my lips together. It's not sticky, but if you put too much on, it can be stringy, and I don't love that at all. The color is a big win for me, because looking at it here, I was like, oh no, what am I getting myself into? But pairing this gloss with my usual Rimmel Cappuccino, literally so pretty. They literally go together so well. I don't know why, and I don't know how. It looks so good, and with this like lavender look that I have going on this side, it looks so good. But like, then you see it on this side and it's not hitting the same. It's because like this purple is like more cool toned purple. has like a blue undertone to it, so it goes really well with my cool toned cappuccino liner, but it still has like this warmth to it that's just perfect. It's perfect, and from where I'm sitting, it looks good. Definitely not in my comfort zone at all, but it is really nice. And now I am tempted to try more colors of this Lawless gloss because I feel like this is old, right? This has been sitting in a warehouse somewhere. I want to try one that's like new. Like maybe like the minis, because I've seen minis. I want to try the minis. This is actually smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be bigger, but I'm not mad. I really like this color. I really like that I purchased this as an add-on because like I wanted to try it. I've been wanting to try this gloss for a while, and now that I have, I'm happy with it. And for 12 bucks, I like it. For 12 bucks, I like it. You know, I didn't pay full price, so I can't really complain. I don't know how much this retailed for either because it doesn't tell me. I think it matched the theme. I think my eye look kind of matches the theme. I don't know. I'm less mad now that I have all the items and I've tried all the items. I'm a lot less angry. Did I feel like I needed this box, needed these items? Not really. But I feel happy that I got to try them and that it's like a little gift to myself every month. The winners of this today are the Lawless Gloss, the Wonder Beauty Mascara, and the MURAD Cleanser. Even though I haven't tried the MURAD Cleanser, just the fact that it's in here is very impressive to me. The size of it is very impressive to me. Like, this is the size of my head. Honorable mention would be this palette because it did surprise me and I wasn't disappointed. And I need to try this. I need to further try this out. So you'll see that in my favorites and files along with all of these things, I think. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm box. I would love to know. I know Boxycharm isn't the same anymore. I feel like it's a nice subscription to have. I feel like you get to choose your items. That's like a big winner for them, and you know, some months are hit or miss. I think this was a icon box month, and usually when it's an icon box month, the regular boxes are kind of like shitty because they want people to subscribe to their better box. But my advice to you is maybe wait and see if the items from the bigger box go into the shop. A lot of the times they do. So instead of paying $60 for one big box full of items that you don't know if you even want, you can buy the specific items you want in the shop and still get fun new items to try in the regular box and not have to pay that much. You can also get the glam bag, which is I think 15 bucks, but for another 15 bucks, I'd rather get full-size products. So that's the story with the Boxycharm and why I justified buying it again. I'm happy. You know, I give them a lot of shit. But it's only because I want them to be better and I want them to do better, you know? If we have the same expectations for everything, then everything would just be garbage, right? You have to hold things to a higher standard sometimes. So did I like this month? No. Was it bad? No. Did I waste my money? No. Did I spend my money well? Also no. So what can you take from this video? I liked some items. They're average. And if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Did I enjoy it? Yes. Did I think I needed to spend the money? No. Did I want to skip this month? Yeah, I did. Did I forget? I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found my rant at the end funny, at least, because I'm spiraling. It's 11 o'clock at night. And if you don't believe me,
it's 11:09. Good night, pal.
He's clocked out. I'm still clocked in. He clocked out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Been the same, baby. I can't ask for more. My phone's at 5%. It's gonna die. It's gonna die. Into a comforting I know it doesn't say it like anywhere. It's like I'm like on the pairing it with my usual, where is it, and still get, you know, fun new items to try. But we're here, guys. It's content. Hold up, I have to unsilence him because he's kind of fucking silenced right now. I have silenced Mickey. Y'all, I'm tired. Boxycharm box.